In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cinematic photo in Nano Banana. Whether you're looking to enhance your photography skills or simply want to try something new, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Gemini. This is where the magic starts. Make sure you're logged in and ready to engage with the tools that will help transform your image. Once you're there, look for the Add Files icon. It usually stands out, but keep an eye out for something that resembles a plus sign or an upload button. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to upload your chosen portrait or image. Click on the Upload Files button and select the picture you envision turning cinematic. Whether it's a moody portrait or a breathtaking landscape, this is your canvas. Once uploaded, you'll notice a series of options awaiting your command. Next comes one of the most crucial steps, entering your text prompt. This is where your creativity truly comes to life. In the prompt box, you'll want to describe what you envision for your cinematic photo. Consider the camera angle you imagine. Do you see a high angle giving an authoritative perspective, or perhaps a low angle for more drama? Maybe even a Dutch angle to capture a sense of unease or tension. Each choice sets a distinct tonal quality. Think about the lighting as well. Describe what suits your scene best. Perhaps you fancy bright camera flashes or sharp highlights, or maybe you prefer deep shadows for a more intense look. Adding these details enhances the cinematic feel. As for the subject, detail their pose, their expression, clothing, whatever aligns with the story you wish to convey. For instance, you may want the subject to look directly at the camera with an intense, commanding gaze. Don't forget about the background. A cinematic photo often has a stunning backdrop. Describe how the environment should complement the subject, perhaps by softening and slightly blurring a bustling crowd in the background. Finally, convey the mood. Decide on the emotional tone. Whether it's dramatic, serene, or intense, craft a prompt that reflects the desired vibe. After setting your prompt, hit the Generate button. This is where the AI does its magic, applying the style and tweaking your image to match your descriptions and preferences. It may take a moment, so be patient as the AI works to bring your vision to life. Finally, once you're satisfied with the result, go ahead and download the image. It's that simple. You've successfully transformed your photo into a cinematic masterpiece with just a few clicks and some creative input. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a try and let your creativity soar. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.